How to remove oxidation and rust from chrome in less than 3 minutes. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another segment here at DSC Auto. Today we're going to be doing the oxidation and rust, removing it from chrome. This trick works on anything that's chrome, bumpers, silverware, pretty much anything you can think of. But I'm going to be doing it today on a set of 22-inch Asantis, so let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to be using some steel wool pads. I picked these up at the gas station. I got some soap, water, and OxiClean in a bottle. We're gonna get over here and check this out. See, it's real bad. Got a light on it now. You can see how bad it is in the front. I've seen worse, but this is still pretty bad. It's been sitting outside for 2 years. So we're gonna wet the wheel, and we gotta spray it down, try to loosen up some of that dirt, hit it with the mixture. Now we wet this one more time, get to it, get to scrubbing. Get in there good. Make sure you scrub good, long, even strokes. Try not to focus on one area too much. You might scratch the chrome, but just keep going at it, going back and forth. Trying to get in there on these rivets. It's a little, but I think I got another trick for that. But we're just gonna keep on wiping on them, keep getting them in there. But just make sure you get that soap all around them. You'll see why in a minute. One thing I will say is that when you're using these soap-filled SOS pads, you got to make sure that you get some water on them to keep it, get you some lubrication sliding across there. You see it got it pretty clean, but around those rivets, I'm not really satisfied with that. We're going to get to that in a second. But you see it got it right up to that edge. So that little part turned out pretty good. Let's do the whole wheel. Got it all soaked up. Make sure you get in there, scrub it good. I got this brush on the drill. Might not have one of these. You can get a household brush with the abrasive pads that you use in the kitchen and scrub it off. But I went over the whole wheel, broke up all that dirt. Now we're gonna rinse it off. Let's go ahead, rinse it off, rinse, rinse, rinse. I do recommend that you do this outside. However, it's cold, so I did it inside. But as you can see, it came out very nice. I love how well these look now. This chrome shining. Just got to do the back of the wheel. I'm gonna do that in another video. I'm probably need a more abrasive brush to get that done. But for the most part, we got them done. Whole process took me about an hour. So if you haven't done so already, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, drop a like, let us know what you think. But until next time, peace.